We as humans are hardwired for connection. Those bonds nourish our souls and lift our spirits. For those who have recently lost a spouse, rebuilding connections can seem daunting, but you are not alone. Together, we'll explore ways to bring joy and connection back into your life. This journey is about rediscovering yourself and finding your tribe because you deserve love, laughter, and friendship every day. Think about your community and the people who live around you. Consider what you're passionate about and how you can share that passion with others. There is a group out there waiting to welcome you with open arms. Look for local clubs or organizations that align with your interests. Whether it's a book club, a knitting circle, or a gardening group, there's something for everyone. Check community centers and libraries for opportunities to connect. These places often host events and activities that can help you meet like-minded individuals. Walking into a room full of strangers can be intimidating, but the rewards far outweigh the risks. You might feel nervous at first, but remember that everyone was new once. Start by attending a meeting or two and see how you feel. Give yourself time to adjust and get to know the people around you. You might be surprised by the warmth and friendships that await. Building connections can enrich your life in ways you never imagined. So take that first step and find your local community today. There's something magical about giving back. It's not just about the act itself, but the ripple effect it creates in the community. Your time, talents, and life experiences are valuable and needed. When you share your wisdom, you inspire others and create a legacy of kindness. Think about the causes you care about most. Whether it's education, the environment, or helping those in need, your passion can drive meaningful change. Countless organizations would be thrilled to have your help. From local shelters to global initiatives, there's a place for everyone to contribute. Volunteering gives you a sense of purpose and belonging. It connects you with like-minded individuals and strengthens the fabric of our society. It's a chance to make a real difference in others' lives and heal your own heart. The bonds you form and the lives you touch are immeasurable. The power of giving back multiplies with every act of kindness. Each small gesture contributes to a larger movement of compassion and generosity, making the world a better place for all. Old friends, new beginnings. Reconnecting. It's a beautiful journey of rediscovery, where the past meets the present and memories blend with new experiences. Life pulls us in different directions, but true connections get better with age. The laughter shared, the stories told, and the moments cherished become even more precious. Think about friends and family you haven't spoken to in a while, those who once played a significant role in your life, whose absence you now feel. Pick up the phone, send a text, or write a letter. A simple gesture can reignite a bond that time and distance tried to fade. You might be surprised by how easily conversations flow. The shared history and mutual understanding create a seamless connection. Don't let fear or pride stand in your way. The courage to reach out can lead to heartwarming reunions and renewed friendships. Reach out and rediscover the joy of long-lasting bonds. Embrace the warmth of familiar faces and the comfort of shared memories. Reconnecting is not just about the past, it's about creating new moments together. Learning, growing, connecting, new hobbies. It's never too late to embrace your passions and try something new. Taking up a new hobby opens a door to new possibilities and connections. Check out local community colleges, art centers, and online courses. This journey is about filling your life with joy, purpose, and meaningful connections. The world at your fingertips, online connections. The internet can be a lifeline for connection, especially if you're feeling isolated. There are countless online groups and social media platforms for shared interests. You can connect with people from all over the world from home. Explore Facebook groups, online forums, or virtual book clubs. You might be surprised by the friendships and support you find online. A new chapter of connection. Remember, you are not alone. Many others understand your journey and are eager to connect and support you. Take that first step, join that group, make that call, enroll in that class. The rewards are immeasurable. Go out there and find your tribe. The world is waiting to welcome you with open arms.